This is problem number 9 from section 9.7. It says solve the system of equations by using Cramer's rule. We did this in the previous problem, so I'm not going to go through Cramer's rule entirely like I did in that problem. But the long story short, we have the two equations with the coefficients a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 respectively. We're going to find this e variable using the determinant of some of the coefficients, the f variable with the determinant of some of the coefficients, and the d variable with the determinant of some of the coefficients. And then we're going to find the x value, that's the solution, along with the y value, that's the solution, by doing e divided by d, and then f divided by d. So let's work through it. Let's start by finding e. E is going to equal the determinant of c1, c2, which is the constants. So we got -4, -8, and then b1, b2, which is 3 and 2. And then we have f, which is the determinant of a1, a2, so that's 8 and 8. And then c1, c2, which is -4, -8. And then finally we're going to find d, which is the determinant of a1, a2, which is 8 and 8, and 3 and 2, which is b1, b2. Let's find those determinants. Remember, we can find the determinant of 2 by 2 by doing the diagonal multiplication minus the other diagonal, AD minus CB. So I'm going to do that here. We're going to say -4 times 2, which is -8, minus -24 when you take -8 times 3. That equals -8 plus 24, which is 16. Now we'll do f. That's -64 when you do the 8 times the -8 minus -32. So you end up with -64 plus 32, which is -32. And finally we do 8 times 2, which is 16, minus 3 times 8, which is 24, and that gives you -8. To find the x value, we do e divided by d. E is 16 over d, which is -8. So we end up with -2 as one solution for x. Y is f over d. So we're going to take f, which is, let's write it first, f over d, and we'll take f, which is -32, and we're going to divide it by -8, which is d. -32 over -8 is 4. So our solution is -2, 4. If you want to, you can plug them into the equation to check it. -2 goes in, that's a -16, plus 12, when you do 3 times 4, that's -4. -2 goes in, -16, plus 8, that is -8. So -2, 4 is the solution.